Watch this, guys. Hold on. Turn it! Turn it! What the hell happened here? Pinky. Alright, I'm gonna cut the video, and then when I get it working, I'll be sure to put the recording back on, okay? Okay. Look at it go! Oh, let me do something. Next time I record, it's probably gonna be different. So just beware. I don't know why it screams. I just call it the screaming machine. I'm gonna put my coaches on it. Meow.